I think that I bring a lot of knowledge to the field of nursing. I have been very committed to understanding the why, because that's how you provide holistic care.
I want to be a pediatric nurse. I was in the hospital a lot when I was a kid, and I loved how the nurses interacted with me. No kid should be stuck in a hospital.
The Stevenson nursing program has been around for over 40 years. We have placed over 4,000 students at many major institutions. Over 90% of our nursing graduates have jobs before they even graduate. We have the facilities and the knowledge, and we know what they need to know.
Within the first 5 minutes, I knew I wanted to come to Stevenson. I really loved hearing about all the different science classes that they had to offer here, as well as the nursing classes we would take.
You feel like a community here, especially because it's direct admission. You are traveling essentially from your freshman year to your senior year with the same people.
I think the facilities are fantastic. It helps you become confident with skills. It becomes second nature.
We are very lucky to have great community partners and clinical sites that accommodate our students.
I've had the opportunity to have clinicals at University of Maryland Midtown, GBMC, and Baltimore Washington Medical Center, which is where I'll be working as a nurse extern this summer.
I've had the honor of being placed at Johns Hopkins Hospital, downtown, Sinai Hospital, and St. Agnes Hospital.
Although the nursing program is very vigorous, being a nurse is a profession of high regard, and the faculty and the staff and the resources here set me up to be a compassionate but also knowledgeable nurse.